Hi guys, welcome back to another episode. Today I'm going to walk you through the steps on how you can leave a Facebook group. In order to leave a Facebook group, first of all, make sure you've already updated your application. Go ahead and log in into your account. Once you're logged into your Facebook account, this is basically how the interface is going to look like. So once you're logged into your Facebook account, this is how the interface is going to look like. Now right on this page, what you'll need to do is go to your try bar icon from the top right hand side corner. Now you can see groups in the left hand side bar. After that, you'll need to go ahead and tap on your groups. Once you've done that, you'll be able to see all of the groups that you're logged in or joined. Now to leave the group, you'll need to particularly open up that group page. So as you can see, this is the particular group. So basically what you'll have to do is just tap on the join button located right at the bottom and tap on leave group. So once you've done that, you need to confirm it by tapping on leave group. After you've done that, you've successfully left the group in Facebook. Now you'll no longer receive any update from this particular group, neither you'll be able to see any post, nor comment, nor anything. So that's how you can leave group in Facebook. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.